Hey guys, what's up? It's Gabby and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be taking you along with me as I search for my dream Atlanta apartment. Before we get started, be sure to like this video as well as comment down below with which apartment was your favorite and be sure to hit subscribe. Alright, so this first apartment was Perimeter Gardens at Georgetown. It was located in Dunwoody, right off of 285 and 85. It was in a great location with plenty to do. There was a park right across the street as well as some grocery stores and places to eat. Going into the neighborhood, there was a parking garage, which was really nice. However, looking at the actual apartment itself, I wasn't really impressed. It wasn't much bigger than what I currently have, and it ended up being more expensive. So for me, this one wasn't it. However, it was really nice. All of the units are fully carpeted. If you like carpet, the ceilings were also very high, which was really nice and gives it a luxury feel. There was fans in all of the rooms and it came with a balcony. The bedroom was pretty spacious and the bathroom was huge. It also came with a full-sized washer and dryer. Just finished touring Perimeter Gardens at Georgetown and it was pretty nice. It was very nice. It was in a really good area. There was a park across the street. There was a bunch of things to do around. However, I didn't like that there was carpet. It was also really expensive. The unit that I'm interested in, it was $1,500, which a little bit too much for me. Wasn't really a fan, and it wasn't too much bigger than the apartment I have now. I'm really looking for space. So now we are pulling in to Parkway Vista, which is out in Doraville, Norcross area. The direct area around it is pretty nice. There's townhomes leading into it. It's very pretty, but in regards to places to eat and things to do around, I wasn't really impressed. But let's go in to the apartments and see what I feel about it. Alright, so this apartment was really nice. It was about 800 to 900 square feet, which is pretty big for a one bedroom. It came with a good sized kitchen with a pantry and a separate laundry room with a full size washer and dryer. The living room was also really big size. The entire apartment was fully carpeted, which again, if you're into that, is really nice. It came with a balcony and a storage room. The bedroom was also a really good size. You could definitely fit a full-size queen bed and a dresser. The closet was a good size. It was a walk-in closet. It also came with a separate linen closet right off of the bathroom. And the bathroom, although I do not agree with the decor choices, was very nice. Okay, so I just finished touring Parkway Vista and it was really nice. It was really big for a really good price. I think for a 800 almost 900 square foot apartment it was $1,205, which is amazing, and they have the move-in date that I would like. The only thing I really didn't like is that it's all carpet and the units that are available are not west facing windows, which for YouTube is very important. I need sunlight. So meh, I don't know. It was good, especially for the price, but I'm not in love with it. So now we are heading over to Avonlea on the river, which is out in Johns Creek. It seems like there's a lot of things to do around there. There's a Whole Foods, Zaxby's, Home Depot, Panera, Publix, Starbucks, BP, a bunch of restaurants, a CVS, a Target, a Dollar Tree, a Hobby Lobby. So a bunch of things to do around there. It's a lot further out from the city, but I think it'll be really nice. 856 square foot apartment for $1,255. So let's head over there. Alright, so this is a 2-bedroom apartment. Right off of the front door is a coat closet as well as a laundry room. The laundry room is pretty spacious, but it doesn't come with a washer and dryer, which if you don't have your own kind of sucks. The living room and dining room is really spacious. The living room comes with this built-in entertainment system, which I'm not sure how I feel about. It also comes with a balcony and a storage closet. This particular unit had a beautiful view of these woods. The kitchen is also a really good size and it comes with this kitchen faucet that I really like. It also comes with a dishwasher and a pretty good sized pantry, as well as a pretty standard sized refrigerator. The first bathroom is connected to one of the bedrooms, which this bathroom was a really good size with a nice big tub. The first bedroom had really good lighting and a beautiful view of those woods. The second bedroom was slightly bigger and also had a view of the woods and had a really good sized closet, which was walk-in, and a good sized bathroom. This bathroom was pretty similar in size to the first bathroom. So I didn't end up going with this one because it was fully carpeted. It also didn't come with the washer and dryer, which I was not a fan of. And overall, although there was plenty to do around, the location was a little bit too far out for me, especially for the price being at $2,000. I just wasn't really willing to spend that much money to be so far out of the city. All right, so it's the next day and I'm taking you guys along with me to the retreat at River Walk. This one is located in Norcross, Dunwoody area. This one I was very underwhelmed by, I'm not gonna lie. It was a nice apartment, but it was pretty small. It had everything that you need, but just overall, it wasn't much bigger than what I currently have. When you first walk in, there is a kitchen directly in front of you with a nice pantry and, you know, everything that you really need out of a kitchen. It has the kitchen faucet that I like, as well as this nice backsplash. This one doesn't come with the microwave, which I was pretty turned off by. It does come with the full-size washer and dryer, which is really nice. The bathroom was also a really big size and it was nice and bright and pretty. The bedroom was, you know, a pretty standard bedroom. It had carpet in the bedroom, but vinyl wood outside in the living area, which is nice. The living room was a bit small for me and it didn't come with a dining area. The patio was a nice big size and it did come with a storage closet, which is really nice. Okay, so this apartment was okay, and I don't know if it was just okay because our leasing consultant was just okay or because the apartment was just okay. It didn't come with the microwave. There would be no washer and dryer, carpet. I mean, that's all really the information we got. We actually kind of had to like...
Thank you for calling Gables Sugarloaf.
It's also further away from work than what I would like it to be. So, and then like the fees kind of end up coming out to a lot for a third floor apartment. Renovated, it would be $17.60, and then $25 in trash, a $2 pest control, $60 Wi-Fi, and $9 in renter's insurance. And then we would have to pay for water and sewer separately. So I think after all that, it'll end up being more than what we're paying now. So. All right, so these next two apartments are further out. They're out in the Duluth, Swanee area. I wanted to give the suburbs a try and just see what I could get for my money being so far out. So this first one is Gables at Sugarloaf. This one was a 2-bedroom apartment. Right off of the front entrance was a small coat closet and the first bathroom. The first bathroom was pretty big and the closet was inside of the bathroom, which I wasn't too much of a fan of. The bedroom was a pretty standard size. It had carpet in the bedroom, but hardwood out in the living room and kitchen. The second bedroom was much bigger than the first bedroom. It also had the closet inside of the bathroom. The living room was pretty standard size and the kitchen was really nice. Okay, so we just finished touring Gables at Sugarloaf. That one was okay, nothing special. Wasn't really all that big either, so it was just meh. And now we are at Overlook at Huntcrest, and this is nice. This apartment's a lot newer, so I'm gonna go ahead and show it to you now. All right, so this one was really nice. This one had just been built in like 2019, I think. It came with a beautiful pool and a really nice gym. This one was literally beautiful. There was a closet right at the front, as well as a stackable washer and dryer. Right off of the entry was the first bedroom that came with a separate bathroom. Pretty spacious bathroom with a nice big tub and a small linen closet right off of it. First bedroom was pretty small. I think just in general, the rooms are really small in this apartment. Came with a small closet, so I wasn't really a big fan of that. It also came with carpet in the bedroom and hardwood floors out in the living room / dining room. The living room and dining room was also pretty small. However, the kitchen was beautiful. I completely fell in love with it. It came with this peninsula island and this double door refrigerator, which I was absolutely obsessed with. I also really liked that the kitchen had windows in it. It also came with a small pantry in the kitchen. I overall really liked the layout. The second bedroom was also really small, but the bathroom was much bigger. Overall, this apartment, although it was beautiful and brand new and exactly what I wanted, was just a little bit too small for me. It was also pretty expensive because it was brand new. I think this one was also pushing $2,000, which for it being so small and also really far out, I wasn't too big of a fan of, so I had to pass on this one. All right, so that was my Atlanta apartment hunt video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know which one was your favorite down below, and if you guys are curious on which one I ended up choosing, I didn't choose any of these, but my next video, which will be uploaded next week, will be showing you all my empty apartment tour. So be sure to hit subscribe so you don't miss it, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.